Hello everyone, welcome back to Part-1 and today we are learning the new chapter of biology. Yes, we are starting with bodily fluids and circulation. We are going to talk about the blood that completes so many roles in your body. And before I talk about the role of the blood in your body, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Aditi Goyal. I am a final year MBBS student at RUHS CMS Jaipur. I have been mentoring students regarding biology preparation and NEET UG from past 5 years. So yes, let's start with this new chapter, body fluids and circulation. As we call blood the engine of life, the fuel of life. So, what is the necessity of this transport? I mean, why do we even require blood? So, guys, living cells have a logistics of problem. Yes, they have so many things. They have need of continuous nutrients, oxygen in, waste out. We have so many things to transport: the gases, food, the waste material we generate. So we require a constant medium that travels throughout the body. So blood is that transport medium, the fluid matrix. Now, what does this blood consist of? It has majorly two components. The liquid component is called plasma. It is 55% of your blood. Now, what is plasma made up of? So, plasma has 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% proteins. Proteins like fibrinogens, globulins, albumins. Don't worry, we will talk about each of these proteins. And some transit, or let's say temporary items like glucose, amino acids, lipids, minerals, potassium, calcium that don't reside there permanently. Also, we have some formed elements which are not liquid. What are these formed elements? Let's talk about them. So, the formed elements are majorly three elements. The first we have erythrocytes or the red blood cells. So, red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a very special important component that makes us so unique. Only humans have hemoglobin. And you know what, guys? These red blood cells are also very unique in the aspect that they have no nucleus. Yes, you are hearing that right. Also, red blood cells have a lifespan of 120 days. So, in your body, the red blood cells keep being made in every 120 days. Guys, in the formed elements, the maximum number of cells that we have are these red blood cells. They are around 5 to 5 point million RBCs in a person's blood. Yes, you are hearing that right. Now, in the second form of abundance, we have leukocytes. Leuco, everywhere in biology or in Latin language, means white. So, yes, these are white blood cells. And we have five types of white blood cells in our body. The first ones are neutrophils. As you see here on the screen, neutrophils have multilobar nucleus. See, you can count here three lobes. We also have eosinophils. Do you see its nucleus? It looks like a headphone. So, eosinophils have headphone shaped nucleus. Then we have basophils. Basophils also have multilobar nucleus. Then you have monocytes and lymphocytes. If you guys notice, neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, all these three have small small dots in their cytoplasm. What are these? These are basically called granules, and these are granular WBCs. Yes, neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils are also known as granulocytes, whereas monocytes and lymphocytes do not present with any granules in their cytoplasm, so they are known as agranulocytes. And all these WBCs, the five kind of WBCs, constitute the defense system of my body. These are nucleated cells, unlike the red blood cells, and they protect my body against all the infections. And then on the third place, we have platelets. We have around 1 to 1.5 lakh platelets in our body. In a normal person, leukocytes are around 20 to 25,000. Platelets are responsible for clotting. What I mean by clotting, the next time you injure yourself, notice that do you keep bleeding or the blood stops after some time? Yes, the blood stops after some time, right? And that is important. If it won't happen, you will just keep bleeding and you won't have any blood in your body. So, platelets make a clot which stop your blood from flowing outside. and this clot is found by thrombocytes. Yes. I mean, guys, now the blood being so interesting, right? Yes. So, if you are looking for a complete study solution like this, which can make your studies this interesting, you definitely need to check out Pathshala. They offer one on one live classes, instant doubt solving, and premium study materials that cover all the grades and all boards. It's basically like having a personal tutor in your pocket. To get started, just download the app using the link in the description box below, search for the subject you want to learn, and they will connect you with the best authors in the best teachers in the country. Seriously, go check it out. The link is right there in the box below. Also, guys, please subscribe to this channel, like and comment, and always keep studying. All the best.